Welcome back to Live Code. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you would like to be an expert programmer. In this video, we will learn how to change the service running port in the Spring Boot. Let's start now. We have created a Maven project called Live Code System. It included two services, one is called Live Code Service 1, another is called Live Code Service 2. Let's start Live Code Service 1 first. Select Live Code Service 1 application class. Using debug mode to run the service. Seeing the service has been started. There is a service log. Let's check. The service is using 8080 port, which is the default port for the Spring Boot project. Then, find a Live Code Service 2 class under the Live Code Service 2 project. Let's start Service 2 also. Something went wrong. The web server failed to start. Port 8080 was already in use. Let's check back Service 1. Since 8080 port is already used by Service 1, therefore, Service 2 is not able to start. To fix the problem, we can change the port in the Spring Boot. Find application.properties under the Resources folder. Enter 8081 for server port. It will let Live Code Service 2 run under 8081 port. Let's try again to start the service. The service started successfully. We can see that the service is using 8081 port. If you are using application.yml instead of the application.properties, just a little different, they both can do your business. Let's create an application.yml file. This time, we use the 8083 port. Be careful with the indentation in the .yml file. Rename the application.properties file. Otherwise, it may impact the project. Let's run the Live Code Service 2 project. Now it is listening to 8083 port. If we change it to 8084 port, then it will use 8084 instead. There is another way to configure the service running port. Let's stop Service 2 applications. Also, remove the setting in the application.properties. Go back to Live Code Service 2 application class. Update the main method under the class. Create a Spring application object, calling the app. Set the default properties. This time, we use the 8082 port. Next, call the run method. Remove original code. Now, the service is running under 8082 port. Congratulations, you have successfully changed the server running port in different ways. Let's have a quick summary. If the video is useful to you, remember to like and share the video. Also subscribe to our channel. See you next time.